What's up guys, Justin Giovanni here, and in this 3-Minute Thursday video we are going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway. How exciting, so stick around. Welcome back from the intro. I've been meaning to do this announcement for the winner for a few days, but I recently just got back from Florida. My brother ended up getting married. Congratulations. And he wanted me to be the videographer. So when that competition ended, I was still in Florida. And when I was doing the video for my brother, I was manually focusing the whole time because I was using my 5D Mark II, and yeah, that was pretty interesting. I did a 3-Minute Thursday video on focusing your cameras, which I'll leave a link here. I'll leave the video thumbnail towards the end of this video so you know what video I'm talking about, so definitely check that out. So I haven't picked a winner yet. I'm going to show you. I'm literally just going to be like clicking the button and to find out who the winner is. So we're going to find out together. So let's get this started. So this is amazing. 260 entries. You guys, I had no idea. And I did look through all of it. So much appreciated that you guys took the time and entered into this competition. You guys are amazing. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's go ahead and pick the winner. Drum roll, please. Congratulations! We have our winner. Congratulations, Jeanette Freeze. You have won one of these custom-made hats with the logo on it. I will be contacting you via email that you have attached to your entry. Definitely keep an eye out because I'm going to be asking you the size of your hat that you want and also which color scheme you prefer. That way I can send it out to you once I get that information. So keep an eye out for that email. To everybody else, thank you so much for entering. It is much appreciated. You guys are amazing. Oh gosh. So that's it for the time being. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Yes. And if you want to see more of the videos that I produce, go ahead and hit that like button. Yes. I know it's not our typical 3-Minute Thursdays, and that's because I was doing the wedding. I was in Florida. I've been pretty busy, but you know, life happens. People get married, and the next 3-Minute Thursdays, we're gonna get right back on schedule. Definitely check out the video that I was mentioning on focusing on the other 3-Minute Thursday video. But yeah, until then, I will see you all in the next video. See ya!